Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this centerpiece. This year I'm leaning towards white and silver and a little bit of pink. So if you want to see how I made this centerpiece and those candle holders using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. For the centerpiece itself, I'm going to start off with this rectangle silver charger, and I'm going to go in with the acrylic, and I also picked up a sleigh ornament. This is pretty much the setup, but I realized that my ribbon is a little too long, so I went in with scissors and I trimmed it down. Now I'm going to go in with my glue gun and glue everything down in place. And now I'm going to make the rope that connects the reindeer to the sleigh. So here I have the pearls one and the beads, and you can even use the diamond wrap. Just go ahead and cut one strand from it and use the silver diamond wrap. But I'm going to go ahead and use the beaded one, the beads. But that one you can find at the party section at Dollar Tree, or I believe they also have it at Walmart. Now I'm just going to glue it in place. I'm going to start at the sleigh and then go around the reindeer and back to the sleigh again. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I upload more Christmas projects like this one. Now it's time to sprinkle in the snow. I'm going to go in with Mod Podge, and I'm only going to apply snow on the lower level of the charger. So I'm going to go in with Mod Podge and sprinkle in some snow and let that dry. I am going to do one little section at a time, and be sure to get around the reindeer's legs and the sleigh, under the sleigh as well. And remember, when you're adding your snow, just drop it in place and let it set. Do not rub it. That way it doesn't make clumps and move around. And I'm going to finish the rest of it and I'll be right back. Now, this part is optional. You can definitely leave it this way and just maybe add presents inside the sleigh, or if you even have a small Santa. But I have these little glitter foam balls, and I'm going to drop in some white ones to make it look like they're snowballs and some silver ones to go along with the color theme that we're using here. Once I'm done, here's how it looks. I added some ornaments onto the sleigh back there, and this project was super easy to make and it turned out pretty cute. Now for our next project, the candle holders. I'm going to take these champagne glasses. They're plastic, they're from Dollar Tree, they're in the party section. So I'm going to open it up and take 4 of the bottom part of the glasses. So just these pieces down here, and I'm going to use 4 of them, and I'm going to spray paint them using metallic spray paint. And I'm going to also take these napkin, the silver napkin rings, and these ornaments. And this candle holder is going to look so elegant, you guys. So yeah, definitely give this one a try. I'm going to start off with one of the cup pieces down there, and then using my glue gun, I'm going to glue one of the napkin rings. When gluing your napkin ring, you want to be sure that it's nice and straight so that way your candle holder doesn't tilt in any way. And yeah, so any pieces that you're putting on this, you want to be sure that it's nice and straight. Now I'm going to go in with my ornament. If you do not want your ornament, your candle holder, I'm sorry, to light up, then go ahead and place a silver piece inside. But if you want to still be able to light it up, then leave that switch on to the back and you could simply just light up the candle holder. My kids honestly wanted it to light up, so I'm going to end up just leaving the switch sticking out so that way we can light it up on Christmas. And you can see my son right up there making sure that I'm gluing it the right way. So yes, I had to leave the switch out for them, but I'm going to go in with hot glue and put that in place. And next we're going to put a napkin ring and we're going to do the same thing again. And for the last part, be sure to put your cup piece, the bottom part of the glass, upside down because that's where we're going to place our candle. Using a hot knife, you can simply just trim that bottom part out, but I realized that part didn't even touch the candle at all, so it should be fine. But if it ends up bothering your candle or tipping it over, just go ahead and use a hot tool or a hot knife and trim that part off. Now I'm making my second one and here's how it looks. For video purposes, I just have these candles up on top, but obviously I'm going to switch them out to battery operated candles. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. This looks so cute and so elegant, and those candle holders definitely look like they cost more than a few dollars to make. But I also love the reindeer and a sleigh. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And I hope you'll love this as much as I did. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye.